Everyone, it's Patrick with Univium. Today I'm going to show you how to send and receive webhooks with Google Apps Script. And so this is going to be more of a template. This isn't a specific use case, but just if you're looking to do the technical aspect of sending and receiving data via a webhook with App Script. I mostly do this as an alternative to using make.com when I have a automation involving either a significant amount of data or an automation that's a lot more complex than you're able to do with make.com. I'll kind of use this script to receive webhook data and that sort of thing. And so if you're watching this, you probably already have a end goal in mind. So I'll just do a quick test. I have this sheet right here to log my data just to make sure it's coming through. I have this script to receive my data and this script to send my data. I just have a little test payload here. You run that and it'll run. And of course that received it and it sent it here. So you can see, that that's there. And so, yeah, it's really simple. Again, I'll just walk y'all through how I set this up real quick. The code is in my GitHub repository, which I need to pull up real quick. Give me just a second. And I'll include a link to this in the video description as well. But if you just go to my repository, go to Google Apps Script, webhooks, send and receive. You can pull all of this data right here. I don't really send data to a webhook too much with Google Apps Script. I mostly have this just to test that my webhook's working. But to go over the process to get this set up, number one, I'm logging the data to a Google Sheet. You might not need to do that. I just do it to test. But for that Google Sheet, you are going to go ahead and get the Google Sheet ID. And I put this in the script properties so it's easier to update. So you'll put it in the script properties. After you do that, you will deploy it as a web app. Now I've already deployed this. I'm just going to show you all for demonstration. You typically just click web app right there. Do webhook. You can name it whatever, just so I can distinguish between it. I'm going to name it webhook v1.2. I have it execute as myself, and anyone can access it, which that may be. Yeah, that should be fine. So you deploy that. Once you deploy it, this is going to be the URL that you use to send the webhook data to. So this is your actual webhook right here. Then on the send webhook, all you really have to do is, the way I have it set up, is you'll just go and you'll put the webhook URL in the script properties again. Again, you could also put it in the script either way. But yeah, pretty much as simple as that, real easy. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment or let me know. Thank y'all very much.